Good day, my wonderful learners. You are welcome to today's class, and I want to encourage you to watch my previous videos on solid mensuration, where I covered a cube and a cupboard. You know, this is the third one, which is known as cylinder. So today's class will be based on cylinder. A cylinder is a prism whose cross section is a circle, and the example of a cylinder, example of an object that looks like a cylinder that has
My wonderful learners, please be
a shape
attentive.
in form of a
Don't
cylinder
give room for any
is a
forms of
mixed thing.
distractions.
So this side is the circular top, whereas this side is the curved surface, this side is the circular base, and here to here is the height. So the formula for curved surface area is base circumference times height, which is 2 pi r h. And the total surface area is the area of all faces, but it is of two ways. The first condition is when both tops are closed. The formula for total surface area will be area of base plus area of top plus curved surface area. And the area of base is pi r squared, area of top is pi r squared,
my friend,
and curved surface area is 2 pi r h. So we are going to sum it. Then we are going to end up having pi r squared plus pi r squared plus 2 pi r h. Pi r squared plus pi r squared will give us 2 pi r squared plus 2 pi
Join us at the chosen
Don't forget that
One Tutorial Center,
So we are going to bring out
0813114538.
the common factor, which will be 2 pi r. So we are going to have 2 pi r in bracket of r plus h. And the second condition is when one top is open. Area of base plus curved surface area. So we are going to have pi r squared plus 2 pi r h. So by the time we figure out the common factor, we are going to have pi r in bracket of r plus 2h. And the volume is the base area multiplied by the height. So we are going to have pi r squared h. So let's solve this relevant example given. A cylindrical container has a base radius of 6 meters and its height is 17 meters. Calculate its total surface area. From the question given here, our radius is 6 meters and the height is 17 meters. Don't forget that this pi has a constant value, which is 22/7. So it wants to calculate the total surface area. So the first thing to do is to solve it using the two conditions. So let's use the first one. When both tops are closed, total surface area will be 2 pi r in bracket of r plus h. Then we are going to have 2 times 22/7 times 6 in bracket of 6 plus 17. Then we are going to multiply 2 by 22. 2 times 22, that will give us 44. Multiply by 6. Let's multiply here. 44 times 6. 6 times 4, that's 24. We keep 2. 6 times 4, that's 24 again. Plus 2 that we kept here. That will be 264. So we are going to have 264/7 in bracket of 6 plus 17. That will be 23. Then we are going to multiply 264 by 23. And our answer will be 6072. So we are going to have 6072 divided by 7. And by the time we divide this by 7, how many 7 we see in 60? That will be 8. It remains 4. So we are going to have 86. When we use calculator to divide
Facilitator,
it directly,
Michael Success,
we are going
Administrator
to
of the Chosen One Emporium, 0813114538.
Then the second condition is when one top is opened. Total surface area is equal to pi r in bracket of r plus 2h.
Phobia and study
Don't
more.
forget that our pi is 22/7 and our radius here is 6. In bracket of 6 plus 2 into bracket, our height here is 17. Don't forget that. Radius is 6, height is 17 meter, and pi is 22/7. So we are going to have 22 times 6. That will be 132/7. In bracket of 6 plus 2 times 17, that will be 34. So we are going to have 132/7 in bracket of 40. And by the time we multiply 40 by this, we are going to have 8, 12, you keep 1, 5,280 divided by 7. You can use your calculator to do that. And by the time we divide, we are going to have 754.3 meter squared. So let's solve the second aspect, which is curve surface area. And the formula for curve surface area is 2 pi RH. So we are going to have 2 times 22/7 times 6 times 17. So we are going to use our calculator to do that. 2 times 22 multiplied by 6 multiplied by 17. That will give us 4,468. So we are going to have 4,488/7. And by the time we divide by 7, we are going to have 641.14 meter squared. Then the third aspect is to calculate the volume. The volume here is
like the videos now,
H.
comment and
So we are
share
going to have
with your loved
22/7
ones.
times 6 squared times 17. Then this will give us 22/7 times 6 times 6 will give us 36 times 17. So we are still going to use our calculator. We are going to multiply 22 by 36 and likewise
Register
by
for proof
17.
lessons
So I
at the
now
Chosen
multiply
One
22
tutorial center. Both physical
times
and
36
online lessons are
times
available.
17. 22 times 36 times 17. So we are going to have 13,464 divided by 7. And by the time we divide it by 7, the result will be 1,923.43 meter cube. If you are yet to subscribe, ensure you do that right now. Like our videos and share
Thanks
it with
for
your loved
watching.
ones. See you in other classes. My name remains the same, Facilitator Michael Success. Thank you. I love you all.
You claim to love, but you don't communicate. If you don't talk for 3 days, you don't miss the person. Is that love? See, I'm just not the talking type. You are not in love. Anywhere there's love, there's communication. Attention breeds affection. When attention is missing, affection dies.
Àánú ló ṣe yí Olúwa, agbára mi kò bàbá.